Hi guys, good morning everybody. Andrew is here. We're gonna do the recap. So yesterday we had a really brutal day. Everything was dropping, and I managed to have a really nice bounce on TQQ.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
Today, market was gapping down a little bit, but again, these are the days that we call them like a hangover days. After a huge day, you kind of expect a little bit of a choppiness at the open. I traded, what did I trade? I traded successfully AMD and Tesla and a little bit of TQQ that I had actually from as a swing trade. So it turned out to be a really nice day. Well, let's go through the trades, especially on Tesla. So Tesla was gapping down a little bit, but the market at the open showed some sort of strength. So what I did was here, looked at it, that it looks like a 1 minute to range breakup. We had the previous day close here, and I went long. It came down, bounced back from the VWAP, and I added more. No, sorry, actually didn't bounce back. So I added more, went down below the VWAP, and then bounced back. So I had, I didn't get a stopped out because my stop loss was just around below the VWAP. Popped up, I slowly partialed out all the way up to 255. I saw big ask coming up at 255. I added more here at 255 because the ask were staffing up. The level 2 was very bullish, and we went all the way up to 257. I added more again at 257 because I saw huge ask, and then we went all the way up to 257.50. I didn't partial out up there, and then it came down, and I got stopped out at the break even, and that's the trade that I did. So Thor did the opposite trade of me. So what he did, Paris. So what he did, he didn't trade at the open, and then he shorted right at this pullback on the weakness of the order flow, and he's still short. It's a very beautiful short trade. So that's what see one stock is being traded a couple of times with two different traders in two different styles. So if you want to see exactly how Tesla trades like that, either join Peak Capital when Paris is going through the order flow, or just check out his course on Trading Terminal. He also did a presentation in New York, which people really loved, with all the videos and everything. So that was just a very nice trade on that. AMD was the big trade of the day. I think pretty much for everybody. Same style, 5 minute opinion range breakup. Went up, bounced back from the VWAP. I went long. I went very heavy size. Popped up, I sold some. Came down not to my break even point, really, but I got out of it just because I had a good day and I got out of it. As soon as I got out of it, we had a really massive run all the way up to 114, and we're still trading it at 114. See, massive run came down through the VWAP and the massive run back up to 114. So on a daily chart, if you look at the daily chart, we had a really crazy day dropping, and as this is a very nice also level. So see how this level bounced back from this May levels. Beautiful bounce. This is a beautiful support, bounce back from there, and then it came back up to 114. I was actually thinking of shorting it, but I didn't give a really nice double top on that. So and I'm glad I didn't, because after that it just squeezed back like a boss right now. But what I did on it is I did a bear call spread. So I sold the calls at 116 for tomorrow and then bought the 120. So I'll collect the differences on that. It's not doing well right now. I'm down $280, but by tomorrow, if we close below 116, we're gonna be able to make some money, which is kind of unlikely. But so it turned out to be a bad trade so far. Well, let's see how it goes. Yeah, so that's my trading. Amazon was a trade that I did a 1 minute opinion range breakdown on it. Amazon, I did a 1 minute opinion range breakdown. It did go down, but I got out of it, so it really wasn't a great trade. Came back up. It turned out to be a very nice 5 minute engulfing crack. So 5 minute bullish engulfing. So this is a very bullish pattern, and then it give you a really nice entry around here as well for the pop up. So that was a perfect 5 minute bullish engulfing. I didn't take that trade, but some of our traders did. Actually, I have the screenshots here. So Yeah, so that's a very nice 5-minute bullish engulfing. On a 1-minute chart, you could actually get a really nice entry around here, put a stop loss just below the VWAP. This is the area that entry for the next pop. I didn't take that trade again because I was in AMD and Tesla, but as you see here, one of our traders, actually this is not my screenshot, one of our traders did that. So on 1-minute chart, he just bought that on pullback, and see very, very beautiful move he got on Amazon. That was very, very beautiful. Another thing that I wanted to show you is the level 2 sample discussions that we had for Tesla and AMD. So do you see, I saw the huge ask on Tesla. I saw a very huge ask on Tesla 257. That's why I added here just on the screenshot data for the break of 257. So looking at level 2 is very important. I'm always looking at the level 2. So this is a very, very big level 2 signal. I added and popped up 50 cents through that. And then for AMD also, you saw a big ask here at 112.75, and it means that it's going to go through 113, and still add, and actually is going to 113. This is a big ask at 113, and as you see, popped up and went all the way up to 114 as well. So these level 2 signals help you. They're not 100% always working, but they're again, you see the 113, these level signals, and you never always work, but when it does, it's reasonably strong. So that's guys pretty much everything that I had. So AMD, it seems that it might stay strong. I wouldn't be surprised if this one is going to go up, and probably going to take a loss on that bear spread. But yeah, that's it for me. Brian, what did you trade? I know you traded Expedia.
I traded Shop at the open. It was looking strong, so I got that nice pop right at the open. Stopped me out when it did that big pullback, but and now I took a short on it when it started to break down through that low of day just a few minutes ago. So covered amazing. It when it dropped below 60.
Yeah, so Shopify is down 3.6%. It's amazing that it went up from 64 all the way to 60. It's a huge volatility. Expedia also had earnings this morning. It was really bad and sold off. It's now 16% down. Yeah. Did you trade that?
Yeah. I did short it at one point. It was more of a scalp. Unfortunately, I should have stayed in it, but I didn't. The other trade that I did, it was kind of opposite to what you did. I sold some 110 AMD puts, and still holding some, and it's continuing to go up, but they're already less than half what I got for them. So
yeah. Awesome. Yeah, AMD is moving up 5%. I think AMD is going to go up to 115, 116 today. Seems very, very strong on the daily chart. Even though collapsed yesterday, it's just now recovering pretty much everything. So I wouldn't be surprised if it goes to 116, 117. All right, so that is our trading day, guys. Thank you so much. And Peak Capital starts in September 7, in less than a month. So we finished this bootcamp, a 10th bootcamp, and we're going to go into the 11th bootcamp on September. So if anyone is interested, I think one thing that we want to do for this bootcamp is actually we give you an account, and you actually trade and take the profit at the end of the bootcamp, whatever it is. You can take 90% of the profit, and then you get the max loss of $3,000, which is essentially what you're paying for the bootcamp. If you hit the max loss, you're still in the bootcamp. You go through the program and you can continue trading, but you essentially disqualify from getting into the profit sharing on that. So we accept only 30 traders. We already have 6 traders sign up. So we have about 20-25 traders. So if anyone is interested, the first come first serve. Who is it for, the bootcamp? I think it's really good for the people who have an idea of how trading works, the platform is comfortable, they want to build the trade book. So a little of a previous experience is really good. Awesome, guys. Thank you so much. And tonight we have the mentorship by Thor. I think we do have that. John unfortunately had some personal issues, couldn't do that, but options mentorship session is at 2 p.m. With Megan and Jared. Thank you so much, guys, and all the best. See you tomorrow morning in the chat.